Join me as I refresh the way I think, so with nature I can better be in sync. I look forward to the brand new year that will be epic, with vim, vigor, and my pledge to be more energetic, because I plan to be the best me in 2023. Hi, I'm Carolyn Hartfield, health, wellness, and evidence-based programs coach. I have been in the health arena for more than 40 years when I opened up my first health food store back in the 1980s. Life has been good. I continue to evolve as I study, research, and of course, walk the talk with my own experiences. I invite you to join me and my team at our upcoming Spring Equinox Retreat. It will be held March 17th through the 19th. It will be at the Pine Acres Retreat Center right at the George Washington Carver Park, which is all right there at Lake Allatoona. We have a really great program put together for you. You can check out the itinerary right on the link. And also know that space is limited and we do have special pricing going on right now. It's all inclusive, so you may want to check it out and join us before the special pricing ends and before we sell out. Look forward to seeing you.